Let me show you a very fast way to find angle VUS in this circle geometry problem. Now, the first thing we have to look at is this angle 45 degree here. If you look at this line RS, it is a chord in the circle, and it makes this angle with the tangent. Don't forget this angle, this line MRQ is a tangent. So this chord RS makes this angle here with the tangent. Now, in the same way, if you trace the triangle formed by this chord in the circle, that you'll be looking at triangle RST now. If you look at this triangle, you also see that the opposite angle to this chord in the triangle is this angle 45. So the theorem that should come to mind here is that angles in alternate segments are equal. Angles in alternate segments are equal. So anytime you see a chord making an angle with a tangent, that same chord makes an opposite angle in the triangle that it forms in the circle. And that same opposite angle it makes inside the triangle is equal to the angle that it makes with the tangent. And the rule there is that angles in alternate segments are equal. Don't forget, this chord and its opposite angle is equal to this chord and the angle it makes with the tangent. So that is the rule of angles in alternate segments are equal. Now, the trick to get this VUS, now I'm just going to give you the direct method. I don't want to waste your time looking for this angle and then saying opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. But the short method of doing this is just to say that angle VUS is simply equal to 38 plus 45 degree. That is, this 38 plus this 45 will give us angle VUS as, this is 38. So 38 plus 45 will give us 83 degrees. So angle VUS is 83 degrees. So it's as simple as this. Don't forget that the rule there, the trick there is that adding these two angles is equal to this angle here. Why? Because the sum of these three angles, add up to 180, and also the sum of these two angles add up to 180. So the direct trick to apply is just to add these two angles, and that will give us this opposite angle there. Hope you understand this simple trick that is applied there. Don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.